In this video, we're going to be talking about absolute value. So the key idea is that the absolute value of a number is its distance from 0 on the number line. So in this first example, the number line shows a point at 10. What is its distance from 0? Obviously, that is 10 units. And therefore, what is the absolute value of 10? It is simply 10. These next two questions are both asking us the absolute value. This is the sign for absolute value. So what is the absolute value from 2? It's obviously 2 units away from 0 on the number line, so its absolute value is 2. What is the absolute value of negative 81? It is 81 units away from 0 on the number line, just on the other side of 0, but its absolute value is still 81. And this final example says, look at the points on the number line. Which number has the smaller absolute value? So the absolute value is of 4 is 4. The absolute value of negative 10 is 10. So the smaller absolute value is obviously 4 because it is closer to 0. That's it for this video. Good luck with this section.